Inorganic compounds in the cytoplasmic matrix. We know cytosol contains chemical elements, and we have taken survey of those elements. Different ions they are there, electrolytes present in it, and non-electrolytes present in the cytosol. That survey we have taken. After that, now we will discuss the inorganic compounds of the cytoplasmic matrix. Inorganic compounds are found in bulk such elements, metals, non-metals, and their compounds, and also water, salt, and variety of electrolytes and non-electrolytes. So we will discuss it related to the water. Most abundant inorganic component of cytosol. Water constitutes about 68 to 80% of the matrix. Water occurs in the matrix in two forms: free water and bound water. 95% of the total cellular water used by matrix as a solvent for various inorganic substances and organic compounds, and this is free water. Remaining 5% of the total cellular water remains loosely linked with protein molecules by hydrogen bonds and is known as a bound water. Water content of cellular matrix of organism depend directly on age, habitat, and metabolic activities of the organism. We know some of the properties of water. So water has thermal properties. Water is a solvent, universal solvent. That also is important thing. Water's property as solvent or inorganic substances as minerals or solids, etc., and many compounds like carbohydrates, proteins depends on water's dipole nature. Because of polarity, water can bind electrostatically to both positively and negatively charged groups of protein. Thus, amino group of a protein molecule is capable of binding water molecule. Solvency is of great biological importance because all the chemical reactions that take place in cell do so in aqueous solution. Water forms good dispersion medium for the colloidal system of matrix. Thermal properties of water now. Water occurs in nature in three phases as solid, liquid, and vapors. Within the ordinary range of Earth's temperature. This is uniqueness of water. Water has high specific heat. Another important property of water is its unique density behavior during change of temperature. Most liquids become continually denser with cooling. Water, however, reaches its maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius and then becomes lighter with further cooling. Therefore, ice floats rather than setting on the bottom of lakes and ponds. This protects the aquatic life from freezing. Now, surface tension. Water has high surface tension, and this property of water caused by cohesiveness of water molecules and is important in maintenance of protoplasmic form and movement. Transparency of water. Water is transparent to light and enables the specialized photosynthetic organelles like chloroplast inside the plant cell to absorb sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. Now, organic compounds of cytoplasmic matrix or cytosol. Chemical substances with carbon in combination with one or more other elements like hydrogen, nitrogen, or sulfur, etc., are called organic compounds. Organic compounds usually contain large molecules which are formed by similar or dissimilar structures known as monomers. Monomer is the simplest unit of organic molecule which can exist freely. Some organic compounds, such as carbohydrates, occur in the matrix as monomers. The monomers usually link with other monomers to form oligomer and polymer. The oligomer contain small number of monomers, while polymers contain large number of monomers. Oligomers and polymers contain large size molecules, or we call it as a macromolecules. When polymer contain similar kind of monomers in its macromolecule is known as homopolymer, and when polymer is composed of different kinds of monomers, it is known as heteropolymer. The organic compounds of the matrix are carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, lipids, hormones, and nucleotides. One of the main organic compound in the cytoplasmic matrix is carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are the compounds of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. They are main source of energy for all living beings. Only green part of plants and certain microbes have power to synthesize carbohydrates from water, carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll by the process of photosynthesis. All animals, non-green parts of plants, for example stem, root, etc., non-green plants like fungi, bacteria, viruses depend on green parts of plants for supply of carbohydrates. Chemically, carbohydrates are polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones and are classified as monosaccharides, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Another important organic compound in the cytosol is lipid. So lipids are organic compounds which are insoluble in the water but soluble in non-polar organic solvents like acetone, benzene, chloroform or ether. Lipids are non-polar and hydrophobic, water hating. Common examples of lipids are cooking oil, butter, ghee, waxes, natural rubber and cholesterol. Lipids serve two major roles in the cells and tissues. First, it occurs as constituent of certain structural components of cell such as membranous organelles, plant pigments such as carotene found in carrots and lycopene that occurs in tomatoes. Vitamins like A, E and K. Second, lipids may be stored within cells as reserve energy sources. Lipid provides a convenient form in which energy-yielding molecules can be stored for use when needed. Lipids are made up of carbon, hydrogen and sometimes oxygen. Number of oxygen atoms in lipid molecules is always small compared to number of carbon atoms. Sometimes small amount of sulfur, phosphorus, nitrogen are also present. Natural fats and oils are compounds of glycerol and fatty acids. Lipids are classified into three types as simple lipids, compound lipids and derived lipids. Third important organic compound in the cytosol is protein. So proteins are important constituent of cell and forms more than 50% of the cell's dry weight. Dutch chemist Mulder derived the name protein from Greek word meaning of the first rank. Proteins serve as chief structural material of the protoplasm and play numerous roles in living system. Proteins form enzymes Globular proteins are specialized to serve as catalyst in biochemical activities of the cells. Other proteins are antibodies, transport proteins, storage proteins, contractile proteins, and some act as hormones. In every living organism, there are thousands of different proteins, each to perform a specific functional and structural role. In a single human cell, one can observe more than 10,000 different protein molecules. Chemically, proteins are polymers of amino acids. Fourth organic compound is vitamin. Vitamins are required in minute amount for normal growth, function, and reproduction of cells. Vitamins are organic compounds of chemical nature. Vitamins play important role in cellular metabolism and act as enzymes or biological catalyst in various chemical activities of the cell. Fifth important organic compound in the cytoplasmic matrix is hormone. Hormones are complex organic compounds which occur in traces in cell cytoplasm and regulate synthesis of mRNA, enzymes, and various other intracellular physiological activities. Most important hormones are growth hormone, estrogen, androgen, insulin, cortisone, thyroxine, etc. In cells, hormones regulate various metabolic activities. Hormones activate or depress the gene at particular locus on the chromosome. Thus, hormones serve to coordinate the various activities concerned with particular function.